Hello everyone, myself Chandini Vasi from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. I hope you all are safe at home in this corona pandemic. Now you all are in class second year, third sem of electrical engineering. In this semester, you learn different subjects in which I teach you the subject name as Applied Mathematics for Electrical Engineering. Short form is AMEE. Subject code is 3130908. In in this subject, we learn numerical methods as well as statistical methods. The teaching scheme of this subject is total 3 hours of lectures plus 2 hours of tutorial. So total credit is 5 and examination mark system is total 70 marks of external exam plus 30 marks of mid. So total 100 marks. There is no practical marks in this subject. In this subject, we learn 7 units, 5 units of numerical methods and 2 units of statistical methods. Now our first unit is numerical solution, in which we learn how to find roots of algebraic and transcendental equations, in which we learn bisection method, false position method, secant method, Newton-Raphson method, fixed point iteration method, and rate of convergence of all the methods, and some applications to electrical engineering problems. Our second unit is interpolation, in which we learn finite differences. There are three types of finite differences: forward, backward, and central operators, in which we also learn interpolation by polynomials, and method name is Newton's forward interpolation, Newton's backward interpolation formula, Newton's divided formula, and Lagrange's interpolation formula for unequal intervals. Third unit, numerical integration, in which we learn Newton-Cotes formula. From the Cotes formula, we learn trapezoidal rule, Simpson's 1/3 rule, Simpson's 3/8 rule, and error formula. Also, we learn Gaussian quadrature formula and some applications to electrical engineering problems. In our fourth unit name is numerical solution of ordinary differential equations, in which we learn Picard, Taylor, Euler's method, and Runge-Kutta methods of second, third, and fourth order. Fifth unit, curve fitting by the numerical method. Curve fitting by the method of least square, in which we learn fit a straight line, fit a parabola, and more general curves like exponential curve, in which we learn the curve type y equals to ax raised to b, y equals to ab raised to x, and y equals to a e raised to bx. Our sixth unit is basic probability, in which we learn experiment, definition of probability, conditional probability, independent events, Bayes rule, Bernoulli trials, random variables, discrete random variable, probability mass function, continuous random variable, probability density function, cumulative distribution function, and properties of cumulative distribution function. Also, we learn application to electrical engineering problem. Next, our last unit is basic statistics, in which we learn measure of central tendency, in which we learn mean, median, mode, moments, expectation, dispersion, skewness, kurtosis, bounds on probability, Sebezieux inequality, and application to electrical engineering problem. These are our whole syllabus. We learn the reference book. First, Advanced Engineering Mathematics by Irvin Kreyszig, and second, Numerical Methods for Engineers by Schappers SC. Thank you.